Welcome to our series of videos taking a look at exporting your information from Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a look at exporting your Plottr file as a Scrivener document. To export to a Scrivener document, you can go to the toolbar in either the timeline or the outline section and simply click Export. You see we have the option for Microsoft Word, which we'll go into in another video. And here's Scrivener. So when we click on Scrivener, we can simply choose a location to save our file. And let's open that new Scrivener file up. Your file will be exported and saved as a Scrivener 2 file, so that way anyone using an older version of the software can still export. If you have an updated version of Scrivener, you can just choose to update the project and click OK. And here's our documents. And in the manuscripts section, you can see our chapters. And in the corkboard view, we have all of the information. And when you're in the document, the synopsis and notes will be available under the inspector. And it will be like that for every chapter. So if you have multiple scene cards, they'll show up here. And then under the notes section, you'll find all your characters, places, and notes. So here's Mother Pig, Pig 1, our places like the brick house and Mother's house, and finally our notes. Materials, themes, and alternate endings. You also have the option to choose which information is exported from Plottr into Scrivener. Let's jump back to the three little pigs and see how that works. So again, in the three little pigs, if we choose Export and the Advanced option, in the top right corner, we can choose Scrivener, and here we have our different export options. So if you would only like to see the outline exported to Scrivener, you can deselect all the other categories. Or if you would like to see the other categories, but only the descriptions, you can deselect the other options here. You also have the option of a slide bar in the bottom left corner that will save this option, so it will automatically default to these settings each time. And you can turn that off or on. And when you're ready, you can click the green Export button in the top right corner. Choose a location to save this. And now when we open it in Scrivener again, you can see under Manuscript, under the Inspector, it has only exported the information that we asked for. And that covers exporting your information from Plottr into a Scrivener file. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below and give the video a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for all the latest information, tutorials, and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.